Welcome to Hublu Kids. Today, we bring you a fascinating Panchtantra story, The Blue Jackal. What happens when a cunning jackal tricks the entire jungle? Will his secret be exposed? Watch to the end to find out. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a cunning jackal. One day, he was extremely hungry and went to a nearby village in search of food. As he wandered through the village, he was chased by a pack of angry dogs. Scared for his life, he ran as fast as he could and accidentally fell into a large tub of blue dye that was kept outside a washerman's house. When he got out of the tub, he was completely blue from head to tail. The jackal had no idea what had happened, but when he returned to the forest, all the animals stared at him in fear and amazement. Seeing this as an opportunity, the jackal came up with a clever plan. He confidently declared, "I am sent by the gods to be your king. I will protect you and rule wisely." The animals, believing he was a divine creature, accepted him as their king. As days passed, the blue jackal enjoyed his new life as the king. He ordered the animals to bring him food daily and treated himself to the best meals. He even banished all other jackals from the forest to avoid being recognized. However, one night, he heard a group of jackals howling in the distance. Forgetting his disguise, he instinctively howled back. The moment the other animals heard him, they realized he was just an ordinary jackal who had fooled them. Angry at being tricked, the animals chased him out of the forest, and the jackal was never seen again. The moral of the story is, pretending to be someone else will always lead to trouble. And that's how the blue jackal learned his lesson. Lies and tricks may work for a while, but the truth always comes out in the end. If you enjoyed this story, remember to like, share and subscribe to Hublu Kids for more fun and moral stories. See you next time. Bye bye.